Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. Today we're going to do a nice little walkthrough of this brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 28 Vantage dual console. Come on board, we'll show you around. This specific Boston Whaler 28 Vantage is powered by a pair of 300 horsepower V8 Mercury Verados with joystick piloting. Pushes the boat over 50 miles per hour. It's the perfect engine setup for it. And these were ordered in white also, which is great for our Florida weather. Well, welcome aboard the 2026 28 Vantage from Boston Whaler. What I like most about this boat is its versatility and the amount of seating it has on it. It does a little bit of everything, this boat. Makes everybody happy in the family. You have two ways to enter the water. You have a beautiful swim ladder in the back here with a freshwater wash down when you get out. You also have a standard dive door on the boat, which makes it getting off the boat really easy if you're swimming away from the engines. Also, if you're near a floating dock, it's really easy to get on and off the boat. Standard live well on the transom. You have an aft bench seat that can fold in and out when you're not using it to give you more room in the cockpit. Big storage in the floors for that beautiful catch or just for storage. A really versatile back-to-back seat here on the port side. You can see it makes a great lounge for taking a little nap. Beautiful hardtop with huge supports. You have an electric sunshade as an option, which shades all the way back here, all the way to the transom. You have a couple options here on the starboard side. This one has a wet sink with storage and another seat with some storage. You can also get a barbecue grill on here if you like. Come on up, we'll take a look at the helm and the bow next. Check out this gorgeous helm on this 28 Vantage from Boston Whaler. We have joystick piloting. Makes docking the boat a breeze. Takes all the questions out of it. Electronic controls from Mercury called digital throttle and shift. Beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel with tilt wheel. All your electronics is built into this gorgeous acrylic dash. You have a 12-inch SIMRAD unit, which has a depth finder built into it. All of your charts and navigation, VHF radio, and all your rocker switches, everything's in a perfect position with a gorgeous helm seat as well. Moving over to the port side here, we have a gorgeous head on the boat. This is a head that you would get on a larger yacht. It's a vacuum flush toilet. It uses fresh water. There's also a sink in here and a little bit of storage for you as well. Again, 28 Vantage makes everybody happy. It does a little bit of everything. And finally, walking up to the bow of the boat, this is where the kids love to hang out. This is where people like to lay out and get sun. We have the optional filler cushion here with table. That makes this a big lounge area. Gorgeous armrests on both sides of the boat. And you have easy access to your automatic anchoring system, what we call a windlass. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. This is the 2026 Boston Whaler 28 Vantage dual console. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching and happy boating.